If you find yourself needing to recover your Uber account, but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Uber website. Go to the official Uber website or open the Uber app on a device where you are logged in. This is the starting point for account recovery. Step 2. Select Need Help. On the website or app, look for the Need Help option. This will guide you to the support section where you can find account recovery options. Step 3. Choose Account and Payment. In the Help section, select Account and Payment. This category contains various issues related to account access and recovery. Step 4. Click on I can't access my account. Find and click on the option that states I can't access my account. This will provide you with specific instructions for recovering your account without your phone number. Step 5. Follow the instructions provided. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may include verifying your identity through your email address or answering security questions. Complete the process as directed to regain access to your account. If you encounter any issues during the recovery process, consider reaching out to Uber's customer support for further assistance.